handle scheduling, and what is the advantage of scheduling too with homeschooling preschool?
So that comes down to all the therapies. We're able to schedule them
Mm,
whenever, but we
right.
do try to stack them so they happen back to back in the same area
Mm,
the best that we can. And I think that that happens because we're so flexible. We can do that.
yeah.
Um, we we are able to pick out our co-ops, fit in our dance, but also still have Hannah takes dance class, and the
Hmm.
boys are taking archery. But we're able to fit in those curriculum activities and still have that time at home with dad and
Mm,
mom. And actually, my husband has a very unique work schedule.
hmm.
He's actually a paramedic. So
Okay.
he goes to work 3 days a week and he'll go to work at 12 p.m. So he has
Mm,
all his mornings free with us. And that's usually the time that we're able to do family Bible studies. And,
mm,
sometimes we'll split it up where he takes Naomi to the doctor's appointment or therapies, and then I stay home with the kids. And so we're able to just kind of maneuver things
right.
without
Yeah.
having other people tell us how to do things, except his job,
Yeah.
except his job. But
Yeah,
he's still
exactly.
doing
You got
things.
some time constraints, but
Yeah.
yeah. Well, yeah, that's interesting. And yeah, nowadays with the price of gas, the more you can stack things in a certain area, the better.
Yeah. She has her physical therapy, occupational therapy, and her aqua therapy all in the same area. Her speech therapy is a half an hour away. So that one's the only
Mm.
one that we have to really, we're able to stack that one too. I also have my mother-in-law who comes once a week. I always joke and say it's per marriage counseling that she has to come to, or marriage, I'm sorry, not counseling, per marriage certificate. It's written in when we got married.
Right, you're right.
It shows in there that I have to have my grandkids once a week. So she actually comes to our house and marriage contract. That's what I was trying to say.
Yes.
She comes to our house once a week and she'll watch the kids and she'll take Naomi to therapies. And, I'm
Oh,
able to
that's
have a little bit
awesome.
of time to myself or just able to focus on the other kids. So,
Right.
yeah,
Yeah, that's great help too. And again, that's another part of your team that you
yeah,
built. So you have a great supportive team
we
that,
do.
just hearing you talk about all the different therapies and just activities and family too.